Hello everyone, it's me again, Margaret. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to share how to feed my ducks and chicken. I use cornmeal here and I have already here. So let's start, let's go. First, we need to call them. Eat! Eat! Where's the others? There's nothing here. So this is my pins and my chicken nest. On my video, I install already. Have already eggs. Also there, only one, and of course the hen there. So welcome to my feeding area. This is my feeding area. Eat! This is my feeding area. Oh, they go away already. So that's all about it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. This is one of my first routine in the morning to feed the chicken and the chickens and the ducks, and after that I do feeds the pig also. But oh my god. So before I end, if you new my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you keep updating my latest video, and of course feel free to share with all your friends, your colleagues, etc. And do a comments down below if you have chickens or ducks, and hit thumbs up if you like this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye. They go away already. Wow. Hey, 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 hey.